I don't remember which one 3 is. These emotes go really well together. You sniffing my burp? Absolutely. Flint. Or no, Flit. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It does go perfectly. How does it smell? Fuck Lasso. Never. Not to mention, people are not gonna want to watch me go through like all of that pain.
Alert. Allied signal detected.
Hello, Raiders. Hello, Carmen. I need to burp. Hello, Raiders. Hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to... Started with this many balls before.
Let's go ballsy, people.
Oh. Placostomus. Hello, Pure. Hello, how are you? What if 1,000 balls? I would have to be... Like... There's only one time I have ever seen 1,000 balls. Well, it was actually 2,000. But it was at, I was on Amaranth's